So are you like most people right now that are looking to move to Sarasota, but yet you want something that's not in an HOA, but it's still new construction near the city to where you have all the nightlife, all the city amenities, closer to the beaches, and you don't have to really worry about a busy neighborhood? Then you definitely want to check out this house right behind me. It's listed at $1.5 million right now. It's a 3,300 square foot, 4-bedroom, 5-bathroom house, and it's like 12 minutes away from Siesta, just minutes from downtown, and it's just overall a great location in a quiet neighborhood. I mean, it is just super quiet. You really cannot argue with that. So before we go in and share with you what this new construction house looks like right behind me here in Sarasota, whether you guys are looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, ultimately that is our team's specialty, is helping out-of-state buyers with their new construction purchases here in Sarasota, Bradenton, Osprey, Nokomis, all the surrounding areas, which is why we have created dedicated buyers relocation guides for all these surrounding areas for you guys to download 100% free. And then I also do own a custom home building company, Jane Development Group, for anyone that is looking to build a custom house here in Sarasota. You guys want expert opinions of someone who's transparent, honest, and reliable when it comes to new construction building. You guys can reach out to me and my development company with those contacts down below. But with all that being said, let's flip this camera around and let's go show you what this new construction house looks like here in Sarasota, Florida. So now that we finished up this house tour, what did you guys think of this house overall? I mean, it's a gorgeous backyard. You got a quiet area, quiet location. This brand new construction house, not located within an HOA. It's extremely hard to beat, being only minutes to downtown Sarasota and only 15 minutes or so to Siesta Key Island. And when you really want to live, that Florida lifestyle, you really just want to enjoy yourself, not have to worry about the extra, HOA fees, CDD fees, anything like that. This is why people choose to live near downtown Sarasota, is for the amenities, is to not be in an HOA. And there's a host of other reasons. But overall, this is one of the very few newer construction houses, two-story houses here in this vicinity of downtown Sarasota. So if you guys want more access to this property or have questions, you guys can reach out to me and my team with our contact information down below. But if you guys are just looking to work with an expert team that knows new construction like the back of their hand, I mean, I own a development company myself, and you guys want to work with someone that is super personal, wants to get to know you guys, and wants to know your ins and outs of everything you're looking for, not just another transaction, you guys will definitely want to work with me and my team. So if you guys have questions, feel free to reach out to us anytime, or if you guys want to go schedule a showing about this house, we will leave our contact information down in the description down below. But with all that being said, we appreciate you checking out this video as always, and we'll catch you guys next week.